Start with a slip knot. And chain 100, or else you can start off with any even number of chains. One double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4 5, this one. And one double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch. One slip stitch in the next stitch. One half double crochet in the next stitch. One slip stitch in the next stitch. And a half double crochet in the next stitch. Now keep repeating these 2 stitches until the end. That's one slip stitch and one half double crochet. One slip stitch and a half double crochet. Slip stitch, half double crochet. Make the last slip stitch, and at the end you'll have one stitch left. Make one single crochet into the last stitch. This is the last stitch, the chain stitch. Make a single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert a hook into the first chain which you have made and pull up a loop. Now turn your work, insert a hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2 stitches. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. Next round, one double crochet is already made. Now we'll be working only in the back loops. Make one back loop double crochet in each and every stitch. Yarn over, this is the front loop and this is the back loop. Insert hook into the back loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and the last 2. That's one back loop double crochet made. Continue with one back loop double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this last 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. That's one round of this pattern and one round of this double crochets. We'll start with the pattern round. One single crochet, one slip stitch in the next stitch and a half double crochet in the next stitch. Continue with one slip stitch, one half double crochet, this is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.